Hello and welcome to Furman Kitchen. In this channel, I will show you how to make delicious recipes every week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified every time I post delicious recipes. Hello and welcome back to Furman Kitchen. Today we're going to make turkey chili. Now this is the easiest recipe you can make of all time. It takes me about 30 minutes and honestly everybody always asks me for the recipe. So here you go. This is a crowd pleaser. I actually have to double the recipe every time I make this because it literally is gone in one day. So I'm going to double the recipe in the video, but I'm in the words below. In the information down below, I will go ahead and write down the recipe for half of this so small families can make it too. Now the ingredients we're going to be needing today is 2 pounds of turkey chili, 2 cans of red beans or pinto beans depending on your preference, 2 cans of white beans. There's no specific reason why I picked a different brand. It's just the white beans that I could find. 2 cans of corn, 1 large onion, and then if you're making a half batch, it's 2 cans of tomato, diced tomato. If you're making a whole batch, you're gonna use 3 cans. Also put all of my seasonings here. This is garlic powder, salt, oregano, black pepper, chili powder, and cumin. Oh, don't forget the chili broth. That's important, you know? Don't leave that out. Now, it is my birthday tomorrow, and my lovely fiance got me a Shun Premier knife. This is an 8-inch chef knife. I'm not affiliated with Shun, but I'm completely obsessed with their knives. And hey, who doesn't love a satisfying cutting video? I did completely underestimate how sharp this knife is. I actually cut myself last week, so please be careful. But damn, look at those cuts. Now you are welcome to use any type of oil, but I used coconut oil. I thought, well, this recipe is already healthy, so you might as well stick with the healthier side. Now, it is easier for me to break up the turkey, the ground turkey, in the package before I put it in the pan, but you can do whatever you want. This is just one of the tricks that I do to make it easier to mix. Go ahead and mix that until it's about 80% cooked all the way through. The meat should be turning white as you cook it. And then you're going to put 1 large onion. If you're making a whole batch, look at those beautiful cuts. You cannot put in your seasonings, and I like to do it in this step so everything is well incorporated as you're adding your other ingredients. Go ahead and mix that until everything is well incorporated, and then cook down until your onions are translucent. I like to start by putting 2 cans of 15-ounce diced tomatoes. It doesn't matter what brand. Now I do this in this step so the tomatoes have time to cook down and create some juice and render while you're cooking all your ingredients slowly together. You can go ahead and put pinto beans or red beans. It really is up to you and what you prefer. Your 2 cans of white beans. Now I do drain all of my cans first. It's okay if you have a little bit of excess water because this will help thicken the chili. And here is the recipe. The secret is corn. Nobody adds corn to their chili. It makes it so delicious. You add a little bit of sweetness into that salty mixture. Believe me, you won't regret it. Just try it. Now that you have all your ingredients in your pan or pot, give that all a big mixture and then realize that your spoon is so tiny and your pot does not have enough room, so you add another can of tomato to add some texture at the end, and then you realize after mixing it all that you ran out of room, so you regret it and you add it into a different pot. It's okay, guys. It happens to the best of us, okay? It's okay. Truthfully, if you ask me, cooking is just about putting love into your food. It's okay if you make mistakes, you have to expect that. Now, when you realize your mistakes, then you're gonna add chicken broth to top all of your ingredients. Make sure everything is submerged under liquid, and then you're gonna set that on medium heat and then let it cook for about 45 minutes while it's on a light boil. Put the lids on it and then give it a stir every 10 minutes to check on it. Make sure you're not burning anything on the bottom, and slowly it will come together and you will create deliciousness and everybody will be happy. Thank you guys so much for watching my recipe. I really hope you get to make it at home because honestly, everybody loves it. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my channel to watch a new recipe every week. I swear I'll teach you how to get to everybody's hearts through their stomachs. Mami, ¿qué tú quieres? Aquí llegó tu turkey chili. Please forgive me. I know I make terrible jokes.